Hello, and welcome back to What's in the Box, the Glass in the Dark unboxing series, where I take you into my collection and show you some of the pieces that I bring in. I'm a seller and a collector, and I know quite a bit about uranium glass. So stick with me, kid, and I'll teach you things. Just kidding, I'm always learning too. I got 3 boxes today, so 3 things to see. Let's find out what's in the box.
What's in the box?
1, 2, 3. 3 boxes, all in different sizes. If you've watched this show before, you'll know that I like to start with the smallest first and save the biggest for last. And that's what we're going to do today. Okay, box number 1. Packing peanuts. If I remember correctly, this one got lost in the mail as soon as it was sent. The seller gave it to USPS, and they immediately marked it as delivered. So I was a little concerned that it wouldn't show up. It's another example of pays to know what you're looking at. This is the second one that I've unboxed on the channel now. It is the Vallerysthal woven basket toothpick. The only reason I really bought it again is this one marked. Oh my gosh, this one's actually marked Portieux or Portieux. I don't know. If you know how to pronounce it, tell me in the comments below. But wow, I think this is actually going to replace the one that's in my collection. This is an actually marked one. I love toothpick holders. I love my French glass, and I couldn't say no to this piece. Box number 2. So with this one, I was writing a little article for the Vaseline Glass Collectors newsletter about a type of glass that I love to collect called Krys-Tol, and it's a well-known clear type of glass, but there are some Vaseline glass pieces out there, and they're very, very, very difficult to track down. But I was reviewing the book that I have about it, which has a lot of different pictures of their catalogs, and I kind of took notice that there are a few more pieces that I didn't really know for sure if they were part of the Krys-Tol line. And then I looked and I checked, and sure enough, there were 2 candlesticks, a set that was online that didn't immediately look like Krys-Tol, but they are. And here they are. Yo, the packing on this is not good. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope we do not have a disaster today. Essentially, this is the end of the pieces, and they were at the edge of the box. There was not much other than about a 1/2 inch of bubble wrap. And these are really heavy, so hopefully the strength kept them from breaking, but yikes. Okay, we'll find out in a moment.
Many hours later.
Excuse me. Okay. Please, uranium glass gods, please let them not be broken. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a marking. There's a marking. 1907. There's a marking? June 11th, 1907. If I remember correctly, that's actually when these were first created. Last one, baby. Don't be busted, baby. Yes. Wow. That's crazy. I need to look at my Krys-Tol candlestick now. Wow. Crazy. All right. I'm going to stop oogling them. Here they are, my amazing Art Deco Krys-Tol candlesticks. There was one that I feature in my videos a lot that has two arches that come off the right and left sides. And this is some of my favorite glass that exists. It's just absolutely beautiful. Okay, we got one last box. Are you ready? All right, packed with paper. Pretty stiff paper too. This is actually really nice packing job. Paper is obviously going to be a lot more environmentally friendly than plastic bubble wrap. So this one you're going to see is exactly like everything else I collect. But I'm sure if you're a viewer, you're just like, this guy collects everything. Okay, I hear you. Oh, bubble wrap too. Nice. This is a piece that was sitting in my watch list for a while, and then on a payday, I decided I was going to get it. Oh my gosh, what a mess. This is so similar to another piece that I have here. I remember I got this one because they said it was in excellent condition. This is in excellent condition. Oh, ooh, one rough spot. I'm sure you want to see. And here we are, a really beautiful oblong butter dish with a beautiful finial. This is a early American pattern glass piece for sure, and just one I don't know much about. Hi Viveka, welcome back. You're here at the end. You missed all the excitement. How did you even get in here? I thought the doors were closed.
Aww.
If you haven't seen my daughter Viveka before, this is her. She's a Sphinx cat. She's in some of the episodes. Because I can't keep her out of where I'm working. They're not ready. They can't see that. Okay, you gotta go. You gotta go. Cut. And here's today's haul. There's some really nice pieces in here. I'm keeping all of them for my personal collection. Like I said, I was thinking I'd sell this, but it's marked. Finding out that this Krys-Tol piece actually has a freaking date on it, that is incredible. I'm super, super happy. So let's get these babies under the UV light and watch them glow. That's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed already, do it! Become a subscriber. I post these pretty regularly, and you don't want to miss another one. Until next time, happy hunting.